SoundBeast All-in-One AM FM radio with CD player. Proof? Does the retro look deliver?
I remember digging through a tangled mess of cords just to play an old CD or stream from my phone, while the radio sat forgotten in the corner. It felt overwhelming, like my favorite music was trapped in outdated gear. That was literally me until recently. Type same below if your shelf still looks like a tech graveyard. What's your go-to forgotten format? That nagging frustration builds. The scratchy connections, the fading signals pulling you out of the moment. It quietly steals the relaxation you crave from music. But picture this. Simple control returns. Warm sound flows effortlessly. No extra gadgets cluttering your space. Keep watching. You're about to see how one beautiful unit changes everything. I came across the SoundBeast All-in-One AM FM radio with CD player kind of by accident, browsing for something uncomplicated. Turns out it's this quiet breakthrough, blending everything seamlessly. You've got an AM and FM tuner pulling in stations clearly for relaxed mornings, a CD player breathing new life into collections with rich playback, Bluetooth streaming straight from your phone without interruptions during evenings, USB playback and recording to capture radio gems or digitize tracks in minutes, an SD card slot for portable libraries on the go, an aux input for any older devices, and those built-in speakers pumping surprisingly full, warm audio that fills the room naturally. Think about my busy editor pal. That night at 2 a.m., racing a deadline, streaming kept buffering and killing his flow. He switched to the SoundBeast, slid in a Focus CD, and suddenly everything clicked. The resonant tones from the handmade wooden exterior enveloped him, carrying through to finish strong. It's that emotional pull. The wood not only elevates your decor, but delivers sensory-rich sound you feel in your chest. From there, the wins keep coming. You declutter instantly with one elegant piece, dive deeper into music with warmer, more inviting tones, switch sources effortlessly without hunting cables, and record those fleeting radio moments you'll replay forever. One audio equipment reviewer said the wooden cabinet genuinely contributes to warmer acoustics, reducing that cheap resonance you get elsewhere. A home audio specialist highlights how it bridges old and new formats perfectly, keeping things future-proof yet nostalgic. And from a happy user, the handmade wooden case is genuinely attractive and feels like quality furniture rather than disposable electronics. I've found myself lingering longer with albums. I put it in the kitchen and it just draws you in. The biggest hang-up I hear? People hesitate on figuring out multiple features at once. The truth is, it's intuitive right out of the box. Large buttons, remote included, most folks master it in minutes with zero tech headaches. It's backed by that 5-year warranty from a family-run USA business. This is why thousands are raving about it quietly right now. Comment if the recording feature has you intrigued. Deep down, the SoundBeast All-in-One AM/FM radio with CD player restores that pure joy of listening. Warm, reliable sound wrapping around you, turning everyday moments into escapes. Join the thousands of nostalgic folks and cozy homes already loving the real results from their SoundBeast All-in-One AM/FM radio with CD player. I dropped my affiliate link in the description. Just click, check it out yourself, no pressure. If it's your thing, awesome. If not, no big deal. See you with better tunes soon.